Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Eman Martin. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Magki-quick ride lang ako papuntang Marilaki. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Teresa. So, yung route na gagawin ko is yung kakaibang route. Galing kasi akong Teresa, Rizal. So, yung looban ng Teresa papuntang Marilaki ang aking datahakin. Actually, labas ito yung sa Baras Rizal sa may Paulo Alto. Yun natin kasi kakalabas ko na ng trabaho actually. So mag-ano ako, tanggal kati ride sa Marilaki. So ito yung daan na papuntang Palo Alto galing sa looban ng Teresa. Roman Rojas ata to, may iba, barangay may iba, papuntang Papinugay. So try natin dito. Ano lang tayo, chill riding sa bundok. Since nandito na rin lang naman ako sa Teresa Rizal, puntahan na natin yung Marilaki. Matagal-tagal na rin ako din nakakapunta doon eh. Sana wag umulan. Ilang araw naman nang hindi umulan. Sana ngayon lang. Part pa rin ka ng Teresa. Medyo liban na. Kaya konti na yung establishment. Unlike sa town proper. Kaya pag after work, gusto ko umakyat ng Marilaki, dito ko lang dumadaan. Shortcut na siya. So kung galing ka sa Upper Antipolo or Teresa town proper, magandang daan dito na lang kung gusto mo mag-Marilaki. Yun nga lang, mamimiss mo yung ibang zigzagan sa Marilaki. Yun ay kung mahilig ka sa twisting. Pero kung hindi naman, okay na yung daan na to. Kasi labas mo nito Palo Alto no? Pangit yung kulay na yun. Barangay San Jose. Tagos pala ito ng Barangay San Jose rin. Yun yung medyo malala yung yung nangyari nung bagyong Karina. Barangay San Jose, maraming casualty dyan. Asa pa. Yung muna Manila. Wow, Manila Hill sa Teresa Rizal. Marilaki. Cabaras, Rizal. Parang pangisahan lang to. Isahan lang. Sa Rizal, maraming mga magagandang puntahan. Kung mga overlooking yung mga gusto mong puntahan, yung gusto mo makita yung city lights ng Metro Manila paggabi, marami dito, particularly sa Angono at sa Binangonan. Maraming mga bagong tayong mga establishment doon na pwede kang tumambay, magpa-sunset, tapos magpanggabi. Dito kasi sa Marilaki, ang view na umaga o kaya bandang hapon, tapos may sea of clouds kasi dito. Saka maraming mga gandang campsite na rin dito sa Marilaki. Kaya yung mga moto camping or camping per se, maganda dito. Marilaki, Sanay Marilaki. Ang Marilaki, taas kami. Kaya ni Bumper ko. Panas Bumper. O diba, ito na ang Marilaki Highway. Welcome to Marilaki. Nature ride. Itatawag na tayo ng puso. Actually, kaya ako nagpunta pa rin para magamit kayo sa TikTok. Grabe. Banking. Ayan. Kaya gusto ng mga riders dito kasi yung twist dito ang MotoGP. Pero hindi kasi ako may sa twisting. With riding sa hiking na Marilaki. Para akong nasa Tagaytay. Itong Marilaki, pumunta ako sa Marilaki since 2013. Yun yung era na bago-bago ako bago-bago lang ako motor. Ito na yung Palo Alto. Try natin magbalik. Dito pa ng Pampaul, oh. Palipad na akong drone. Saglit lang guys, ah. yun nga, dito tayo sa Palo Alto. So let's go further. Ito tumambay sa Manukan.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free.
Dito kasi marami nagbe-banking. O yan, diba sila? Oh, mga big bikers, oh, diba? Tapos pagdating dito, Manukan na. Tingnan natin kung may mga tambay. So itong Marilaki, ang tagos nito is yung pinakadulo is Infanta Quezon. Tapos pagdating Infanta Quezon, pwede ka nang lumabas papuntang Real Quezon yan. Kung gusto mo pumunta ng Bicol, doon ka na dumaan. Laking bagay itong Marilaki. Marilaki stands for, sa mga hindi nakakaalam pala, no, Marilaki stands for Marikina, Rizal, Laguna, and Quezon Province. So yun yung mga tinatamaan ng highway na to. Kita niyo yung higa niya? Hindi ko kaya yun. Diba lang, ginuhitan pa ako, no? Mga budi. O at least may tindahan na dito. Kasi nga, tindahan ng Manukan. Very good. So tara, let's go. Let's go a little farther dahil wala akong nakitang kape. Siguro mo from here 39 kilometers lang Infanta Quezon. Ito yung Camp Hayat. Ito yung mga sasabi ko mga campsite. Di ba? Ang dami niyan. Ang daming dogo. Tabi ko lang itong asong to kanina. Nandito na siya. Mukha niya lang. Ayun o, dito pwede ako magtanong. Pwede ako makakapag-drone shot kaya ako dito. Rainbow 89, kapag camping na ako dyan, one of the best camping experience din yan, Rainbow 89. Try nyo dyan guys. Maganda dyan mag-overnight kayo dahil sa umaga 360 ang ang cloud, ang sea of clouds. Ay, shit, ang ganda oh. Yes. Ito. Chicken, inasal, grilled yempo. Nakakagutom naman ang mga nababasa ko. Kakain ko lang eh. Pero nagugutom na naman ako sa mga nababasa ko dito. Ay, ito. Maraming mga makakain dito ah. Diba? At tinatawag na tayo ng bundok. Dami pa rin weekend riders ah. O diba? Ang dami ng kainan dito. Ang dami ng bulaluhan, kapihan. Tanay Highlands. Yan yung isa sa mga bago dito. Bagong mahal. Sierra Madre Mountain Resort. Ito ang pinaka OG na pinupuntahan dito. Wow. Mga Vespa riders. Ah, ito palang Cielo Alto. Ang Martis maganda rin dyan. Tsaka BNK ba to? Alam ko may Sea of Clouds pa eh. Okay guys, welcome to Tanay. Ano pala Cafe Caterina eh? Cafe Caterina. O dito kaya ako magkakape sa Cafe Caterina? O sa... See? Kakape ako dyan. Kape muna ako guys ha. Bago ng Cafe Caterina.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. distance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
So ayun guys, nakapagkape na ako. Kontento na ako sa chill ride, coffee hunting ride ko ngayong araw. So pack up na. Homeward bound na ulit ako. Guys, next time bawi ako sa Moto Adventures. Medyo preoccupied lang ang aking oras ngayon sa trabaho at sa ibang pang bagay. Next time, long ride ko and moto camping naman ang i-feature ko. So guys, thank you again. And see you on my next episode ng E. Martin Moto Adventure. Bye!
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night, and I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23, but I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights, and you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Radiant is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. I still think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees, they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant